Hello, hello, hello. I'm curious if you ever feel like you are on the edge of giving up, letting go your dream, letting go your desire, letting go your vision. Pop a yes in the comments. I want you to feel what that feeling feels like for your whole body, your whole soul, to give up on your dreams that you've had maybe for a really, really long time, to let those dreams go. Now I want you to sort of just shake off a little bit. Just do a little tiny shake, 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 shake. And I want you to feel your whole body, your whole soul, what it would feel like, to be there, to be successful with your goals, with your dreams, whatever they are. How would that feel in your whole self, in your body? Is it about health, relationships, your career, your business, your retirement? What is that goal? Writing a book? Being surrounded by friends? What is that? And how does that feel? Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, these things. Do you feel the difference? Do you believe in yourself enough to make that dream, that vision come true? Whether it's health and fitness, wellness, spirituality, closer connection to your higher power, better marriage, a career. Do you believe that you are worth it? Just 6 months ago, I did not feel worth it. After 25 years of being in business, I was ready to give it up. I was looking for jobs. I was spending a lot of time in prayer and meditation in our RV at my parents' house in the mornings. And I had this epiphany. I am 57, almost 58 years old, and I am not ready to wave the white flag. I love witnessing transformations in people. I love that. And so I started treating my business like a job and following my own advice, taking the actions necessary from my vision map to bring these workshops, these vision mapping framework, transformational strategic workshops all over the globe. Guess what? This is my third workshop. I had one virtually in the south of Spain. I was invited to bring it to a women's wellness retreat in Orlando, and I'm here bringing it to a group of real estate professionals in the Kenai in Alaska. And this is my accommodation that I've had for the night. It's this beautiful, I have to look at the name of it, Mountain Mermaid Lodge. Go ahead and Google it, Mountain Mermaid Lodge. And it's a beautiful, beautiful lodge. The moon was full last night. And I am walking. I know that's like against YouTube, don't move your video, but you've got to see this view. And maybe we'll see a moose out here. Oh, it's just spectacular. Ready? Those are the mountains all around us. Chancey's with me. Look at that view. Isn't that spectacular? I keep looking for moose because there's not a fence here. I'm here to tell you, you can bring those goals, those dreams, those visions to life. You can do it. And I'm here to help you. Let me know if you want my free starter kit. So you can get started. You can see I'm kind of a no BS person. What you see is what you get. And click the subscribe. Please share this if it resonates with you or somebody maybe that you know. And thank you for joining me. It's very cold out here. It's in the 30s and it's just breathtaking, and Chancey's with me. So off we go to teach and inspire and live for today. Okay. Mwah. Thank you for listening.